Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to EVS class. How are you, kids? I hope you all are fine and safe. Alhamdulillah. In our previous classes, we had completed 5 characteristics of living beings, and today we are going to study the 6th and the 7th characteristic of living beings. So, open page number 11 and see. Living beings excrete. Living beings excrete. Students, the excretion is the process of removing unwanted material from the body. Understood? Okay. As like many activities take place in the body of organisms, as a result, things which are unwanted from the body are also generated. These have to be thrown out of the body, if not body gets affected. In the case of animals, animals throw out unwanted things of the body in the form of carbon dioxide, sweat, feces and urine. They have special organs for this purpose. And also in the case of plants, plants also give out carbon dioxide during respiration. Dry leaf, stem, rotting parts, all these separate from the plants. They release excess water to the atmosphere through leaves. So in the first picture we can see the boy is getting sweat. Sweat means pasina, isn't it? Okay, it means from his body through the sweating unwanted thing is coming out. And in the second picture we can see the tree is giving oxygen and taking carbon dioxide. Like that, in third picture also, cow is leaving unwanted thing from its body, isn't it? So the living beings excrete. Understood, students? Okay, next move to next characteristic. Living beings reproduce. Living beings reproduce. Living being reproduce means what, children? Yes. The young ones of each organism resemble that respective organism which gave birth to them. So what is reproduction? The process of an organism give birth to young one which resemble it is called reproduction. So in this picture you can observe, children, human beings and cow, dogs are giving birth to young ones. It resembles to them only, isn't it? But in case of hens, what will happen? First, it lays eggs. After few days, it hatches the egg and chicks will come out. So, living beings reproduce. Next, move to page number 11. Given below are certain statements related to reproduction. If the statements are correct, put right mark. If the statements are wrong, put wrong mark. Okay, here statements are given. We have to see it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, then put right mark. If it is not correct, put wrong mark and correct the statement. Okay, first one. Organisms continue their generation by reproduction. This statement is correct. So put right mark here. Next, second one. Due to reproduction, the other organisms in environment get food. Wrong. It is not correct statement. In environment, other organisms cannot get food by reproduction. Okay. Third one. Reproduction is seen only in animals. It is wrong because reproduction is seen not only in animals but also in plants. Last one. There will not be any danger in the environment by over reproduction of a single organism. Yes, it is correct statement. Next, some animals carry out reproduction by laying eggs and some other by directly giving birth to young ones. I have already explained you this. Okay, now see here one activity is there. List out the animals that lay eggs and those which directly give birth to the young ones. First, animals which lay eggs are hen, fish, snakes, and the animals which give directly birth to young ones are cow, goat, lion. Understood? Okay, now see your homework. Write this in your textbook and also complete this activity. This is your homework. Okay, we will stop here. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.